Okay, so today we will create another Python project which is named as rollercoaster ticket generator. We will ask our user their height. If their height is below 120 centimeters, they can't take, right? If height is equal or above 120 centimeters, they are eligible, and then we will ask their age. Then we have different ticket prices for different age criteria, and at last we will ask if they want their photos to be taken, and we will add additional $3 in their bills. So firstly, we will set a variable name height and data type will be float. We will ask our users to give their input, enter your height in centimeter. At initially we will set ticket to 0 as currently there are no tickets, and bill to 0 at currently the bill for everyone is 0. So we will start if height is greater or equal 120. Else not eligible. Okay, so when this check is passed, we will ask our users for their age, and age will be data type of integer. Ask user for their input, input your age. If age is less than or equal to 12, ticket price will be 7. Print your ticket price is, let's use f string, bills for equal or below 12 years. We have $5. Then we will use another statement. If age is less than or equal to 18, ticket price will be $7. So we will make it more presentable by adding dollar sign. Print same line. Okay. And then again, else if age is greater or equal to 45 and age is less than and equal to 55, bill will be 0. You can add this line or else there is no need. So here we will add this, enjoy free ride with us. We set this age limit. People in this age range are mostly passing through midlife crisis. Everything is gonna be alright. Okay. And the rest age group, which is greater than 18, will be charged with ticket price of $12. Okay. So here, when all checks are passed, there is another condition. Then ask them if they want their photos to be taken. If yes, add additional $3 in existing bill. We will set another variable named photos. Data type will be string. We will ask our user to give their input. Do you want your photos to be taken? Type Y for yes and N for no. We will add lower whatever letter they enter, it will automatically convert them to smaller. So here we will use statement if photos equal yes, then what to do? Bill will be added with additional $3 and print your ticket price. We will add this, edit this, sorry, your total bill for ticket number ticket plus equal 1, else you can add this line if you want, else there is no need. Ticket plus equal 1. We will copy paste the exact line. Okay, so that's all. We will test our code. Let's see. By entering our height 119 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so here we did not add the print. Now we will run it again. 119 not eligible. Okay. So run it again. Now add 181. We are eligible. Enter your age. Let's say we enter age of 48. Enjoy a free ride with us. Everything is gonna be all right. You remember why we added a group of 45 to 55? Then it asking question, do you want your photos to be taken? Let's say we say no, and your total bill is $0 for ticket number 1. That's all. You can check